is Rashi with Long and Foster. I'm here today on this gorgeous day at my newest listing in Fort Washington. The address here is 529 Rosier Road in Fort Washington. Beautiful brick front home. This sits on a half-acre lot. It's literally right behind the National Harbor, so amazing location. The home itself boasts 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's about 3,800 square feet of finished space, and it is a full finished basement. We are here today for the open house, and just like I normally do, wanted to give you a little sneak peek. This is the beautiful Riverbend neighborhood, and let me just show you a little bit of the home. So there you go. This is the beautiful front yard. It has a 2-car attached car garage. There is a really nice backyard, and also there is an in-ground pool. This here is the entrance. I'm going to try to show you a little bit of the deck and the pool as well. You have the foyer, formal living. This here is the bonus room, which could be converted to the 5th bedroom or an office. Half bath, really nice family room, open layout kitchen, connects to the dining. You have your laundry area, and these sliding doors connect to the deck with the pool. And look at that view. It's a very, very nice backyard. Look at the size of this deck. In-ground pool. These steps lead down to that backyard. And if you can see those buildings there, that literally is the National Harbor area. So the car which is going there, that's National Harbor Boulevard. So from your backyard, you could actually go take a walk, go down to National Harbor, enjoy the fireworks from your deck. So it's an amazing location. That's one of my favorite things about this home is the location. And this is just went on the market yesterday. We're going to be here today from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. all ready for you, set up to show you this beautiful home. So make sure to please share and stop by and see us when you have some time. Thanks so much for watching.